friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix "we are sorry but something went wrong, please try again" in Instagram Reels. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, check your Instagram up to date or not. For that, you need to open your Google Play Store. Then search here Instagram. If your Instagram not up to date, then update from here. After updating, go back, open your settings, go to the apps, then search here Instagram. Press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, then press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this sentence: this app data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data. After clearing the data, your Instagram ID will be logged out. Re-login, then check your problem solved or not. If not, wait for 4 to 6 hours. If you're facing same error, then you uninstall and reinstall your Instagram. Hope your problem will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.